Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on NeuroWriter. You see, NeuroWriter is a paraphraser, prompt generator. It helps to translate, summarize, word counter, headline generator, AI image upscaler, AI content detector, AI image generator, paraphraser API, and scrapping API. It has so many great things in it, as you can see. It's multilingual support. It has multilingual support. They have more languages over here. Then it is also, you can choose a language. As now I've chosen Romania. You can see this is Romania right now. So you can choose any language you want. So let's say I want English, it will be back to English. And you can go light, you can go hard, you can install extension for your paraphrase and put the original text to give you the paraphrase text. So light mode is fast but the uniqueness will be low, while hard mode is slow but the uniqueness will be high. Once you've put in what you want, the original text, you click on paraphrase now. Then you want to automate paraphrasing, take advantage of the new API by clicking here. You can also install their Chrome extension, add it to Chrome here. It is a forever free service, it has better quality and has faster response. Why would you choose this particular one? Because they're not like other ones. You see, instead of just changing words with synonyms, their AI analyzes the whole paragraph and writes it naturally so the text stays clear, makes sense, and isn't detected as AI or plagiarism. So, because the harmonizer makes AI written text sound real, like was written like by a person. It doesn't just change the words, they repeat each sentence to keep the meaning while making it more readable. So you can see, no sign up required, absolutely free. It has three specific AI models, 30 plus languages up to 10,000 characters, and you can use synonyms too. It is really, really important. So please give it a try and let us know.